traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another reading chart, how to read candlestick pattern, how to read candlestick charts, yes, understanding candlestick chart, yes, and charts. And this video will be done always on weekend, yes, when the assets are closed, yes, when the market is closed, and I cannot do any kind of live trading videos. So I'm doing those kind of explanation videos of those trades which I have already done, and based on the support and resistance stuff, yes, to get you a better insight why I took those trades and what was my that's the logic behind this. And yes, and before we are going to continue, I have to say all my trades and everything what I'm showing you on my YouTube channel are based on those things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group, so join it. So okay, let me see, I will start immediately here. Here that video as soon as there is. Okay, wait, first of all I have to explain here some things. So we have here ranging market, yes, with a slight downwards touch. As you see here, the 50 EMA, the 20 EMA, they are crossing all the time. That means we have ranging market with a slightly downward touch. Yes, here you see we have here support and resistance level, which are marked by the Bollinger Band, flat Bollinger bands. Yes, are showing that we have here ranging market too. Yes, that is a good sign. If you are not able to spot them, if you look at the Bollinger Band, you see here support and resistance level on the flat Bollinger Bands. Yes, maybe we are coming from a downtrend. Now we are getting here in some kind of ranging, and after this we will probably going up or going down depending on the strength and on the overall market direction. Yes. Obviously, more probably it will be that price will go on long term down. If you get this, that are almost 20 or 25 candles, and this is a half an hour. And in this half an hour, what has done price? Price has nothing done than a doji here. Yes, half an hour our candlestick is a doji. So this is the wick below, this is the wick above, and here is the opening and the closing price. So we got here a doji. Yes, here you see here opening price, closing price. So we have here a doji. Yes, that is ranging market with a nice waveform, which is nice to trade. Yes, that is really nice to trade because you see here nice waveform. You have only to wait for the right for the right moment, or better, for the right context, yes, in form of candlestick pattern, trend, Miller trend, and rejection, and obviously key level. As you see here, we have here also a lot of consolidation areas here in between because market is ranging. Yes, that is the reason why we got here this kind of consolidation areas, and that will happen mostly in between of key levels. So okay. That is a market condition, ranging market, yes, and that is also why you should be aware about this when we are doing here some kind of support and resistance, support and resistance, and you have ranging market. You should really careful if you don't get in the wrong direction, because in ranging market, support and resistance are not so reliable like they should be, yes, because you don't understand from the rejection if the support and resistance level will hold or not. So okay, I'm doing here some kind of support and resistance levels based on the change of polarity, and as soon as there will be a trade, I will stop the video to explain this more in detail. So this candlestick is closing above this level. Yes, and because we are here in this Miller uptrend, yes, I tried to get into the trade at this level. It was not possible because the candle was moving up and moving down, but then price is moving up. Yes, this was here based on the change of polarity. Let me show you this again for those one who do not know this. So here we have the change of polarity. Here, support, support, resistance, resistance. Yes, support, resistance, support, support. yes, and here this candle broke this area again, yes, and so you can expect that this will act as support. This candle didn't touch this level, yes, it shoots up immediately, because in such kind of ranging market you can expect almost often really huge big candles, yes. That is what the brand of a ranging market, huge candles. So okay, we are closing maybe above the 50 EMA. Let me see if this is true. I don't know. It looks like we are going to close above this level. Yes. And that was a nice movement, yes, without any kind of rejection. The price moved up immediately, because we have here so many support and resistance level in between, yes, and that is also the reason why this candle didn't retrace back. So yes, then we got here this kind of candle. This could be that price would reverse from this level. Maybe that's the reason why I do not enter, or I'm not entering into a trade, because I was not sure if price will reverse, because we're coming from a downtrend. We got here now in a ranging, and it could be also that price will go up. So you see, the Bollinger Band is already doing here a breakout, yes, but the candlestick is not telling the same, yes, and that's the reason why I'm not entering. The purchase time passed by, yes, and I have avoided to do a trade here, yes, because it was not clear. Okay, I'm drawing now a support and trend line, yes, because I understood that price would not move, yes, and I will show you now here. Let me stop the video. Why I have placed this support, trend line exactly there and not here below, yes. Why I do not have put it here? Yes, because I was showing, because trend lines are nothing else than support and resistance too. Yes, I watched out for, what's this? So I watched out for the change of polarity also on the trend line. And if you look this trend line, we have here resistance, support, 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 resistance, resistance, yes. And here again support. Okay, that is a change of polarity, and that's the reason why I place it here. To do a trend downward trend channel, yes, you need 2 points, 1, 2, yes, to do a downtrend channel, and to do an uptrend channel, yes, like this, you need 1, 2 points from below. Yes, that is how you draw your support, your trend channels. Yes, from the in a downtrend above those 2 points above. Yes. Higher high and lower high, and on the uptrend you have lower low and higher low. Yes, that is how you draw them. Yes, and you need only 2 points from below to do a upward trend channel, and 2 points from above to do a downtrend channel. Yes, so I have drawn this trend channel to understand what market will do, because this, okay, I entered here into a put, because this fitted here, yes, exactly, this parallel line to this level here fitted really nice, yes, so I was sure that this support and resistance, or this trend line, yes, which is also a support and resistance level, will be a good trend line. Yes, that is, you can validate other trend lines by using this kind of trend lines and validating another one. Yes, so every parallel to this level would be a good trend channel here. Yes, because this is a major trend line. Yes. And this major trend line, because it changed the polarity. Yes, watch the video about support and resistance if you don't understand this concept. And because of this, I was sure that this will be valid one, yes, because that is the concept. So, okay, I entered here into a put, because that is nothing else than that was happens short before this. Yes, it's the same scenario, and I was and because we are in a major downtrend, it was a put option, yes, on a resistance into a downtrend, and that was the reason why I entered here, expecting that price will go down further. And because we have ranging market, we have here again a huge candle. Yes, that is the characteristic of ranging market. You get mostly big candles and a lot of wicks. So my price is rejecting. Yes, but it got back to the support and resistance level. You see, so that is already a sign that price will reverse from this level. Yes, this momentum upward. Yes, this wick what was here was a sign that price will most probably not continue to going down. Traders who are not experienced, yes, and would do only trading candlestick pattern blindly would enter into a put here. So you see also the candlestick here is doing this, yes. This candlestick is doing the trick, yes. In the per case time, it was still below this to show that there would be a trend continuation. Somebody would wait or expect that price would continue to going down. And now in the expiration time, price is changing direction and would put all those kind of traders who would expect that this kind of bearish hammer would be a trend continuation candle, would trick them, and those one would get OTM, yes, out of the money in the last few seconds. So there was a rejection now. Yes, I saw the rejection of this from this trend line. Yes, and this is like a pullback. Yes, and that's the reason why I have the mouse over the higher button and not the put button, because I'm sure in this case that price will continue to going up. Yes, because I saw the rejection, but I was waiting for a better entry point. You have seen how I was waiting to get a better entry point. I didn't enter any only because I saw them. Yes, I waited to get the price close back to this kind of previous candle closing price. Yes, that is really important. That is most often the reason why so many traders will get out of the money. And the entry point, yes, if you don't, if you have no patience and you cannot wait to get the best point, entry point, you will most often fail. What was this? Okay, so I don't know what it was. So at the end, yes, this is also to explain this in detail. Okay, that was already, I have explained everything. You see here also, what is this? This is a partial decline. Yes, I have explained this also in the ebook. Yes, sometimes if you have some kind of chart patterns, trend channel and other things, yes, for example, a broadening channel and all other kind of chart pattern, if you get this kind of partial decline. So let me see what this is. I'm talking about this kind of part here. And then you can mostly expect that price will go up. So we have here this trend channel, yes, and then we get this kind of partial decline, yes. This goes down, yes, a little bit, a partial, yes, only a little bit, and after that it goes up. The same is valid for a channel where it goes up, yes. This is a partial rise. A partial rise is nothing else than it goes up, yes, and then it goes down, yes, so and it coming from above, so it looks like this, yes, you see here, and then it goes here lower low, yes, and here we have higher high, yes, and that is what is a partial decline and a partial rise. So okay, that was this one. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.